Nyazuu Everyone, Kochi Caturteer back in the kitchen niya. And welcome to the Caturteer-Channel niya. So today niya, Kochi shall be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies niya. So this will be all the ingredients Kochi shall be using niya. So first up, lay out all the biscuits on the plate niya. Next, top it up with M&M chocolates niya. Next up niya, add in all the half flakes niya. These half flakes add lots and lots of flavor to the cookies niya. And we are done niya, pop it in the microwave oven niya and wait for 5 minutes while chanting nya 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 nya, and magic will happen niya. And ta-da niya! There you have it! Chocolate chip cookies niya! Oh yeah, they taste so awesome niya! Oh. And with this niya, everyone can now make chocolate chip cookies with a microwave oven niya! Kochi is such a genius niya!